So dear student, let us start with some queries based on the date of birth and with adding some feature on it. So the feature that I have shown you in my previous video using the male and female, now using a by clause. Okay, using the by clause, like what? This ordered by ordered by ordered by what? Name. Ordered by name, then DESC. Okay. So ordered by name in the descending order, it has arranged the particular thing. Okay. In the descending order, it has arranged the particular thing. Now, in this particular session, you will going to find that there the order has been used, and using the order you can do anything, any part, like ASC. Okay, in ASC what you will do, as soon as you give the ASC that particular thing, that means this particular order format, you will going to get a particular form of it. Okay, ASC, see, in ascending order. Like previously I have done this particular structure. Suppose I am doing here, you see the particular this scenario. If I remove this, if I remove those, sorry, if I remove those particular thing, what it is been said, ordered by. Okay, if I remove it and I am removing this thing, now ordered by name in the ascending order, so enter, isn't it? So this is the structure. What you see, the things are come in an ascending format, the things are in the ascending part, and it has been arranged in ascending order. So what are the things has been done with the condition, with a between condition? I have used two things. One is ordered by clause. Okay, gender if. One is ordered by clause and another is what? The simple order by clause with an ascending order and order by clause with an descending order. Okay, order by clause with an ascending order and order by clause with a descending order. So this is the thing what has been implemented and what has been given in this particular structure. Now here the names are given in an ascending order, so if that has been specified, if I write it DESC, then you see it, what happens. Okay, so this is the ascending structure, this is the ascending order structure, and this is the descending order structure as you know it, that the thing how it will going to arrange in ascending phase and how it will going to arrange in a descending phase. Okay, so based on what? Based on the name I have shown you here. You can change the particular part as the previously I have shown you about SID, with the SID how the thing has been done. Okay, so with the DOB also you can do, with the marks also you can do, with the gender also you can do, gender male female. Based on that it will again going to segregate the particular ascending or descending order. So let us see it. Ordered by, suppose I am giving here address. Okay, ordered by address, so enter, is it? Based on the address in what? Descending order. Now I make it ascending, ASC, ordered by address in the ascending order. Okay, so first B, then D, then K, then M. Okay, so this is how your different type of order clause, ordered by clause, this is known as an ordered by clause. A clause is known as ordered by clause. Ordered by clause has been used, and this particular